This 2022 Forest River Cherokee Black Label 294 BHBL2BDRM double slide, rear bunkhouse is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 12 feet 0 inches in length and features a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 10, skylight, external shower, air conditioning, slide out. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Cherokee Black Label 294 BHBL2BDRM double slide, rear bunkhouse is 8,127 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.